Welcome to the Schedule.so tutorial series. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to set up webhooks in Schedule.so. Webhooks help you automatically send booking data from Schedule to another app or a system whenever a selected event happens. This is useful if you want to connect Schedule with your CRM, automation platform, internal tool, or any custom system you use. Let's get started. First, go to Webhooks from the left sidebar. This is where you can manage your webhook connections in Schedule. To create a new webhook, click to add a new webhook. This opens the Add a Webhook window. At the top, you'll see the endpoint field. Here, enter the URL where you want Schedule to send the webhook data. This is the destination that will receive the event details whenever the selected trigger happens. Next to the endpoint field, choose the request method you want to use. In this case, you can select either GET or POST, depending on what your endpoint expects. Below that, you'll see the Custom Data section. If you want to send extra values along with the webhook, you can add them here. Each row lets you define a name, value, and type. This is useful when you want to pass additional information to the receiving system, along with the event data. If you do not need any extra fields, you can leave this section empty. Next, go to Select Event Types. Here, choose which event type this webhook should apply to. In this example, we'll select Client Meeting. This means the webhook will only work for that specific event type. Now move to Select Event Trigger. Here, choose when the webhook should run. In this example, we're selecting Booking, Reschedule, and Cancel. That means Schedule will send webhook data whenever a client meeting is booked, rescheduled, or canceled. This helps you keep another system updated automatically whenever those changes happen. Once the endpoint, event type, and triggers are selected, click Send Test Data. This helps you test the connection before saving the webhook. It allows you to confirm that your endpoint is reachable and that your system can receive the data correctly. After everything looks correct and the test works successfully, click Save. Your webhook will now be active in Schedule. From now on, whenever a client meeting is booked, rescheduled, or canceled, Schedule will automatically send the webhook data to your configured endpoint. And that's it. Your webhook is now set up to automatically send event updates to your connected system, helping you keep your workflows connected and your booking data in sync with Schedule.so.